so I was coming around, but then I was coming under my leg at the end. Okay, so I'm gonna face this way and make that my front. If I'm turning to my left, but you're a right turner, so you might want to turn to your right. But if I'm turning to my left, because that's the one that I did this one. Yes, so my right hand is up here on this side. Yes, but what I do is this. I come around the circle all the way, then come up, then come down. And as it's coming down here, I have my legs, so if you look at me from the side, I have my right leg back so that I can come under like that. So in flow, right here, it would be, I'm doing the anti-spin, now I do the in-spin, I turn left, up, over the top, come under the leg, and exit. And then what you can do is you can go back into the behind the back cap like this. So if I'm here like this, I would turn, when the right hand is in the left position there, that's where I initiate the turn to the left. So here we go, I'll turn, around, under the leg, and then behind the back cap.